Folks, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we got in a 2022 Ford F-150 XLT. This one's a pretty loaded out XLT. We'll go over that in a second. It's got 36,000 miles, a one owner, sourced locally from a client right here in Houston. Very, very nice, clean truck. 36,000 miles. It does have the 5-liter V8, which is a better engine in my opinion. The color is carbonized gray metallic. It does have the sport package right there, sport appearance package. It's got the nice 20-inch wheels, painted, bed liner, Texas edition right there. Very clean. It's got one little ding, looks like two little dings right here. This is it. The rest of the truck is absolutely gorgeous. It's got the running boards on it. Take a quick look inside. It's got the split bucket seats in the front, which everybody likes. They're both power. It does have the 302A package. Here you can see it's got the LED mirrors. It's got the power tailgate, power pedals. Very nice. Power windows and locks, of course. It's got blind spot and lane change, lane keeping right there. See 36,202 on the miles. Center console with the center shift. It's got heated seats. It's got the big screen, navigation, the rear camera. It's got the trailer tow package, push button start, brake controller there. Very nice, very well loaded. No sunroof. It does have the power sliding rear glass. Very clean. Non-smoker. Do have 2 keys for this one. There's nothing on the seat. That's just the light hitting it. Seats are very nice. Good tires on this one. They're Goodyear Wranglers. This truck is ready to go. We have good service records as well. It's a clean Carfax. Very clean truck. 5-liter V8. Again, this is a 2-wheel drive truck. No stains. Very well cared for. There's no cracking on the center console. It's really clean, nice truck. These trucks ride really well. I like the V8, lots of power. Give us a call, text, email. We'll get back to you quickly. We can ship this car to you anywhere in the country. Long distance deals are very easy to do. If you've got a bank you want to work with, no problem. We just send them a bill of sale. They take it from there. If you need financing, you can go to my website, rogersmotorcars.com. Click on finance. It'll take you straight to their website. If you have a trade-in, we do take trades. Follow us here on YouTube. Subscribe. You can see all the projects we're working on, cars coming down the pipeline. Follow us on Instagram, Rogers_motorcars. We do restorations as well. If you're interested in something like that, we've got a tab on the website. You can see some of our past projects, things we're working on. So I hope to hear from you on this one. Very easy to reach us. Talk soon.